Hello everyone, first we're gonna take two braids, one at each side made of colorful rubber bands and making two braids like this for the making two ponytails. Next we're gonna take three ponies, one at the top and two at the sides, then taking the pony at the top dividing it into two braids with hearts. Next we're gonna start by taking hair from one side and then we're gonna take some hair, adding some colorful rubber bands and giving this a lifted effect, joining the hair to these two ponytails like this. Next we're gonna start by taking this high ponytail, dividing it into two, adding a rubber band, add some space and then we are going to fold it out into a beautiful bow, then making two more braids like this. Next, we're gonna take some hair at the top and making 5 ponytails. Then dividing the hair into 2 and dividing the ponies into 2 and joining them as one. Now connected to a braid like this and folding the braid as well. Next, we're gonna take 2 braids and then dividing our hair into 2. Then we're gonna add some hair and colorful rubber bands to our braid. Then we're gonna join them together into 2 ponytails. Next, we're going to take two ponies and then converting them into braids. After that, we're going to make some space and then folding them together like this to the opposite sides. Next, we're going to start by converting the hair into 5 ponytails, wrapping them up by using these rubbers and dividing them into 2. Then we're going to join them as one and now converting this braid into a bun. Next, we're gonna start by taking all of the hair and grabbing one of the sides after making a pony, then making a braid by using red rubber bands, repeating the same at the other side and making 2 braids as well. Next, we're gonna start by taking 5 ponytails and then we're gonna divide the ponytails into some hair strand and then joining it with some colorful rubber bands to the sides and then converting the sides into some buns. Next, we're going to start by taking this ponytail, we're going to twist it out and then converting it into a round shaped bun. After it's ready, we're going to add this beautiful clutcher and your hairstyle is done. Next, we're going to take this pony at one side and taking some thin braids at the other. Then we're going to join them together as one and now we're going to fold the pony into a simple bun. Next, here we've taken some hair and then making a high ponytail. Then we're gonna make a braid, adding a rubber band, then making a braid again, then adding a rubber band and doing the same step. It depends on your hair length.